101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Muhammad Yusril Abidin, as the host tonight. And as usual, we already with BPEC Makassar here. BPEC? Wow, bright and breezy. Okay, so we are going to discuss about an interesting topic. What is that? Miracle of giving. But before that, I'd like to invite the speaker here to introduce themselves as well as what actually BPEC is. So, okay. Kak Brian, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, smart listener, my name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian.
Okay, what about Brian? Is it BPEC's name from BPEC? The name from BPEC?
Yeah, that's the name for someone who give me that name.
Okay, and I mean, what is your activity for current situation? Currently?
Okay, my activity for now is I just training for IELTS test.
Oh, IELTS test.
Yes.
I mean, what is the purpose of that? Like, do you want to go?
Yeah, I want to go abroad.
Okay. What is the country? If you don't mind?
Australia. Australia, yes.
Okay, guys. So before we start the discussion, can you introduce what actually BPEC is?
Okay. BPEC is the oldest community in Makassar. So it's located in Fort Rotterdam. Every Sunday morning, and at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay.
So in BPC there are many items in there, such as who am I, and the second is ice breaking, and the third is D&D, and the next is building skill, and next is entertainment.
Okay.
And the last is announcement.
Okay. Is it free of charge?
Yeah, that's free for everyone who want to join there.
Okay. Okay, so for your information, guys, so BPEC always conduct the meeting every single Sunday, as what have mentioned by Kak Brian, like every single Sunday at 10 till
10 a.m.
2 p.m.
Yes.
They always conduct the English meeting, and it consists of like about 6 items, from who am I until announcement section. And in that community, it can be accessed by everyone, like every single age, right? Everyone can join there.
Everyone can join.
Okay, so that's a good information. So if you guys interested to improve your English, please come into the Fort Rotterdam. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about miracle of giving. So, Kak Brian, what do you think about that topic?
I think that that topic is interesting to discuss, because for giving someone, like give some your knowledge, your
money,
your experience.
Oh, okay.
So they can learn from that for our giving to them.
Okay, and there are a lot of people, like some people and numerous people, I mean, mentioned that if we give something to others, then we will get more than that.
Yeah,
more than that. And do you believe in it?
Yeah, I believe in that.
Oh, okay. Why? Can you?
Yeah, because if we always give someone like food, like money, we can get more than that.
Okay.
With unexpected fortune.
Oh, okay. And anyway, we have newcomer here. Can you join us, guys? Okay, but before that, because we have commercial break, and We'll back after the commercial break.